Seller Central is where you will manage a majority of your day-to-day operations when selling on Amazon, and a place to find resources to learn and grow as a seller. Every time you log in, your homepage will provide you with a snapshot of what is happening with your business. Access the Manage and Create menus, which will help you navigate to all the tools Seller Central has to offer. Click Settings to access your account settings and information, or click the letter icon to view the buyer-seller messaging or inbox page, where you will communicate with your buyers. At the top of the homepage, you'll see your account health status. You can view a breakdown of your account health by clicking on the status. Your homepage has several workspaces, each designed around key actions you take, like adding products, managing orders, and tracking your payments. Each workspace brings the most important information and actions directly to your fingertips. For example, the Products workspace helps you review your product performance and conversion rates, and lets you create new product listings. The Actions panel serves as your personal to-do list, guiding you to the next steps in your business, like submitting missing account information, responding to customer messages, or resolving issues with shipments. You'll also be able to see recommendations in each workspace, which are personalized to your business needs and help you stay on track. You have the ability to customize your workspace to match your priorities. You can drag widgets to rearrange them, remove cards that aren't relevant, or move information between workspaces. If you focus primarily on managing fulfillment operations, you can prioritize your inventory and shipping widgets to appear at the top of your view. You can also access resources like Seller Forums, which provides information and advice from other selling partners and Amazon experts. And News, which helps you stay informed through key updates and announcements. Ask questions to Selling Assistant, Amazon's AI-powered chatbot. It can share guidance on policies, help you locate specific tools, and offer recommended next steps. Seller University videos will also provide you with relevant navigation instructions as you continue to learn. If you are new to selling on Amazon, we encourage you to explore Seller Central before getting started.